Hello everyone, welcome back to Behind the Smile. In episode 1, we talk about insecurities, and in episode 2, we discuss building confidence. Today, in episode 3, we're exploring self-acceptance, learning to accept yourself as you are, even with flaws and mistakes. What is self-acceptance? Self-acceptance means recognizing your strengths and weaknesses without being too hard on yourself. It doesn't mean giving up on improvement, it means understanding that being human includes making mistakes. Accepting yourself is the first step toward real confidence and peace of mind. Why self-acceptance matters? When you accept yourself, you feel more at peace, you stop constantly comparing yourself to others, you reduce stress and pressures, you build healthier relationships. It allows you to grow without feeling the need to be perfect all the time. The common challenges. Many teens struggle with self-acceptance because of social media pressures, academic or family expectation, fear of judgment from peers. These challenges may make us feel not enough, but they don't define our true value. And how to practice self-acceptance. Here are some simple steps. Speak kindly to yourself. Accept mistakes as part of learning. Focus in progress, not perfection. Appreciate your unique qualities. Self-acceptance is a daily practice, not a one-time decision. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to be worthy. Your journey is your alone. Growth takes time, and that's okay. Thank you.